Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling developer options so you can access USB modes and debugging controls. This is necessary for advanced USB settings. Open Settings, go to About Phone, and tap build number 7 times until you see a confirmation. Once done, return to Settings right arrow System right arrow Developer Options. Make sure USB debugging is enabled. You'll see a permission prompt when connecting to a PC. Enabling debugging lets you change USB configuration and diagnose connection problems quickly. With USB debugging on, connect your phone using a known good data cable. Charging only cables won't expose settings. Once connected, open Developer Options and locate Default USB Configuration or select USB Configuration. Choose File Transfer to move files, PTP for photos, MIDI for musical instruments, or charging to block data. You may also get a notification to change mode directly. Tap it. Selecting the correct mode ensures the device and PC. Finally, verify the chosen mode by swiping down and checking the USB notification. Change it if it's incorrect. If you enabled USB debugging, run a DB devices on your computer to confirm the phone appears. That proves the drivers and authorization are correct. If the device is not recognized, make sure to try a different USB cable and port, reboot both devices, and reauthorize the computer on the phone. These steps fix most connectivity issues quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.